Good morning to all. Welcome to Fearless Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about BSc third sem from Organic Chemistry, Organometallic Compound. In last class, we have discussed about what is organometallic compound and classification of organometallic compounds. Next, examples and preparation of Grignard reagent. Then synthetic applications of Grignard reagent. In last class we have synthesized alcohol by using Grignard reagent, and in today's class we are going to discuss synthetic applications. Second one is preparation of aldehydes. Preparations of aldehydes. Here, aldehydes are prepared by reacting Grignard reagent with hydrogen cyanide. When you react the Grignard reagent with hydrogen cyanide, gives aldehyde. For example, when you react methyl magnesium iodide, Grignard reagent, when it is reacted with hydrogen cyanide, here methyl group of Grignard reagent attack to the carbon atom. Then pi bond is shifted to the nitrogen and nitrogen become negative charge, and it is again attacked to the magnesium halide to give addition product, which is this is our addition product, and this addition product further undergoes acid hydrolysis. It undergoes acid hydrolysis. At that time, this bond is broken, which gives H C double bond N H CH3 plus Mg I OH. This is our byproduct. This is called aldamide. Next, this aldamide further undergoes acid hydrolysis. This aldamide further undergoes acid hydrolysis. At that time, this two hydrogen atom, this NH group goes as NH3 ammonia and gives CH3 C double bond OH. This is our product aldehyde. This is the synthetic application of Grignard reagent in the preparation of aldehyde. Here Grignard reagent is reacted with hydrogen cyanide. It gives addition product, and that addition product on hydrolysis gives aldamide, and aldamide further undergoes reductions, acid hydrolysis gives ketone. This is the synthetic application. Next example number 2. Here, instead of methyl magnesium iodide, if you react methyl magnesium iodide, MgI, methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with hydrogen cyanide. Again, when you react ethyl magnesium iodide with hydrogen cyanide, the alkyl group of the Grignard reagent attack to the carbon atom. Then pi bond is shifted to the nitrogen. Again, this is attacked with the magnesium to give addition product C double bond N minus Mg I CH2 CH3. This is our addition product, and this addition product undergoes acid hydrolysis to give aldamine, that is CH3 CH2 C double bond NH. Yes, this is our aldamine, and that aldamine further undergoes acid hydrolysis which gives CH3 CH2 C double bond O. Yes, this is our aldehyde. Its name is called propanol. This is our aldehyde. This is the example. As we changes the alkyl group, different aldehydes are formed. Next is preparation of ketone. We are here preparing ketone by using Grignard reagent. Ketones are prepared by reacting. Ketones are prepared by reacting Grignard reagent with nitriles. Ketones are prepared by reacting Grignard reagent with nitriles, but here that nitrile should be other than hydrogen cyanide. That nitrile should be other than hydrogen cyanide. For example, when methyl magnesium iodide is reacted with nitriles, for example methyl cyanide, at that time methyl group of the Grignard reagent attack to the carbon atom similar to in aldehyde. Again it is shifted to nitrogen get negative charge. This is again attacked with the magnesium to give addition product, which is CH3 C double bond N CH3 minus MgR. This is our addition product. This addition product further undergoes acid hydrolysis. This addition product undergoes hydrolysis. At that time, again here nitrogen magnesium bond broken to give CH3 C double bond NH CH3. This is called ketamine. And another one is side product is byproduct is MgR and OH. This is our byproduct. Let it. This ketamine again undergoes acid hydrolysis to give CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is our ketone. This is the preparation of ketone by using Grignard reagent. Here Grignard reagent is reacted with nitriles. It may be methyl nitrile, ethyl nitrile or propyl nitrile, gives addition product, and that addition product upon hydrolysis gives ketamine, and ketamine on hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Ketone. Next example number 2. Instead of methyl magnesium iodide, if you change the Grignard reagent as propyl magnesium iodide, CH3 CH2 CH2 MgR plus methyl nitrile, again here alkyl group of the Grignard reagent attack to the carbon atom, pi bond is shifted to the nitrogen, nitrogen get negative charge, again this negatively charged nitrogen attack to the magnesium to give addition product CH3 C double bond N minus Mg R, here CH2 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 propyl group. This is our addition product, and again this addition product undergoes acid hydrolysis to give ketamine. This bond is broken, then what happens? CH3 C double bond NH CH2 CH3. This is our ketamine. Again this ketamine undergoes once more time acid hydrolysis. Here ammonia molecule goes away to give CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH2 CH3. This is our ketone. Name of the ketone is here 1 2 3 4 5 pentane 2,1. This is the our ketone. This is the preparation of ketone by using Grignard reagent.